Welcome to Foodtastic. Today we are going to see how to make pav bhaji. For this, take 3 potatoes, peel and cut like this. Then add it in the pressure cooker. With this, add 8 to 10 cauliflower, half cup of green peas. Pour 1 cup of water. Close the pressure cooker and let it blow 1 whistle. Now take a mixie jar, add 3 medium tomatoes. Grind it nicely. Transfer this into a bowl. Once the pressure released from the pressure cooker, mash the vegetables like this. Next, heat a pan, add 2 teaspoons of oil, 1 tablespoon of butter. Once the butter melted, add 1/8 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 finely chopped onion. Saute it around 2 minutes. Now add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Saute it until the raw smell goes away. With this, add half cup of chopped capsicum, tomato puree, one tablespoon of tomato sauce, 1 tablespoon of pav bhaji masala, 1/4 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 pinch of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of salt. Saute it 1 or 2 minutes. Then close it for 5 minutes. Now add mashed vegetables. Mix it. Now add 1 teaspoon of butter. If you need watery consistency, then add a glass of water, otherwise leave it. Now close and cook around 2 minutes. Add half teaspoon of sugar and mix it. Finally sprinkle some coriander leaves. Now cut the bun like this. Heat a dosa pan, add a teaspoon of butter, pinch of salt, pinch of chili powder, 1 pinch of pav bhaji masala, few coriander leaves. Now place the bun over this and toast it around 1 minute. You can make this bun at your home. Please check the description for bun recipe video link. Now pav bhaji is ready. Serve with chopped onion, lemon, and coriander leaves. Please try this at your home. Subscribe our channel for more updates. Thanks for watching.